guys, my name is Isabelle Yoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We flew in super late last night. I am pretty jet lagged. We landed in Seoul at around 12 a.m. and then I had to work because obviously there is a big time difference from LA and Korea. But I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me on a little what I eat in Korea video. I feel like we're going to eat so many yummy foods and just take you guys along with me. I should be watching what I eat because it's about to be EDC in like literally 2 weeks. But oh well, I will face the consequences when EDC happens. Anyways, let's get this day started and see what types of yummy food that we can find. Okay, so we came to Kwonshik Chokbar and they gave us appetizers and you dip it with a little bit of salt. We have some lettuce and cabbage, some soup. Oh my god, this is literally my favorite. I swear it's like pork liver or something. Intestine. I swear this is intestines. It looks kind of strange, but it tastes so good. Let's try this spicy radish. Oh my god, this is so good. This is exactly what we wanted when we were in Japan, but we couldn't have it. This is just the appetizers. I cannot wait. What's chokbar in English? Pig feet? We're eating pig feet?
You love it.
I'm scared.
You love this and chokbar.
And we also ordered naengmyeon. Yummy steamed egg. Oh my gosh, it's steaming so much. If I had to choose one food to eat for the rest of my life, it would be Korean food. Oh my god. Reminds me of home. I'm homesick. Yay, our naengmyeon came. We got spicy naengmyeon. That looks so good. I'm not usually one to eat spicy food, but I feel like that might change this trip. Oh my gosh. I'm literally like in heaven right now. And it's not too spicy. I thought it was gonna be really spicy with all of that red sauce on it. Wait, so is this the pig feet or is this the pig feet? They both are pig feet. Both of them are pig feet, but this one is the regular version and this one is the marinated spicy version. Oh my god, this looks so interesting. It should look like this. Oh, okay. And now you have your little wrap. Oh, a little bit of sauce. Together. Cheers. I was a little hesitant about the pig feet, but honestly, just tastes like pork. My mom said it tastes amazing. We also got chumokbang because you use your chumok, your fist, to mix it. What is that? Rice and
kimbap.
That's it?
Seaweed.
What else is in there?
Seaweed and sauce.
Seaweed sauce? And then do you eat it with this?
Yeah.
With the pig feet.
Let me show you.
She's the expert. I'm so full. Oh my god, that was so good. This place is so cute. Look at that little bear. We came to Soft Bar ice cream and we got Dubai chocolate ice cream and strawberry milk ice cream. And she's making it right now. Hopefully it's good. Thank you. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I've never tried Dubai chocolate before. And then this one's the strawberry one. Let's eat. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard? Oh my gosh. Wait, this actually looks insane. Cheers. Wait, this one's really good. It's not too sweet. Let's try the strawberry. This is so crazy. Dubai chocolate, 9.3. Strawberry, 5.2. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bread smells so so delicious. It's called like sokumpa. It means like salt bread, but it smells so good. This line is so long to pick up your bread. We thought that line was so short. I think it'll go fast. I think it'll go fast. Oh, she gets that. So cute. I guess this is where everyone goes to order and pick up their bread. I'm so excited to try. My arm feels like it's gonna fall off, but I can't wait to try this bread. Cheers. To night one in Korea. This one tastes so much better. We are so tired. My feet hurt so bad, but we just finished a full day of shopping in Seongsu, and we're back at our hotel room, and I have to get lots of editing and start working at 12 a.m. Korea time. So I will catch you guys tomorrow for another meal. Bye. All right, let's do a quick little hotel tour. We are staying here at the Sheraton in Chosun. This is our closet. We hung up a couple of our jackets. We have a robe here, a little straightening iron, no, this iron table, a safe, a couple drawers down here. Over here, I don't think there's anything besides you insert your card. And then over here, you just click this button if you want your room to be cleaned or if you want a do not disturb. We put some of our suitcases over there, but guys, look at this stunning bathroom. We have our sink right here, some towels. This bathroom is actually gorgeous. This is exactly how I envision my bathroom in my future home to look like. Look at this shower. It's stunning. It has this like waterfall head, this bathtub down here, and then this is the toilet. I believe it's a bidet. Actually, oh yes, it is. It has like the little monitor on the side. And then if you walk out here, you can see the whole entire bedroom. Here are our beds. But guys, look at this reflection. You can kind of see, I know the beds are in the way, but it's literally the reflection of the city. Here is our very long table. I'm probably going to do work there in a couple hours. Here is our TV, and then I put some of my stuff there. These are the stuff that I bought while we were shopping today. I'm going to be doing a whole haul in a future video, so stay tuned. And then this is another seating area. I just put my personal bag right there. And then you guys, this view, we are in a corner bedroom, so it's actually so pretty. And then over here are our beds. My mom is gonna sleep on the bigger one, she called it, which I guess she can stay in the bigger one, and then I'll sleep on this one, and then we have our little nightstand in the middle. But yeah, this is an overview of what our hotel looks like. I'm actually obsessed with it. I can't wait to stay here and just see where the week takes us. This is our breakfast buffet. Everything looks good.
What color?
Red. No, not yellow. Thanks. This is good too, Mom. Yeah, you have to get some of this.
Oh, I thought that was quinoa.
Grain salad. I love dumplings. Thank you. They have a whole udon bar. Cauliflower. Bacon, sausage, potatoes. French toast and waffles. My mom got some salad and soup. What kind of soup is that? Is that kimchi inside?
It's not really. It's a kimchi cook.
Kimchi soup. I got some salad, pasta, and dumplings. Yummy. My mom got some fruit, and I got this
Watermelon
sweet.
is the best.
Really? I got this sweet pumpkin soup. I just wanted to try a little. And then I got some French toast, sausage, yakisoba, and more dumplings. This looks very weird. Oh my gosh.
우와, 얘도 이런 거 너무
It
좋아해.
looks so good.
여기 4인분인가?
Whoa. There's like rice cake in there.
여기 이렇게.
Egg, seaweed, mook. Yummy. 고맙습니다. Whoa. It's rice cake.
아니 내가 가져오면 돼. 어디 가서? 여기 저기?
크라브 서비스.
Oh my god.
모르지 잘.
프라미스트가. 어?
브라우스가?
하나는 서운한 아이.
It's like real authentic Korean.
서운한 아이라는 뜻.
It's not too spicy.
네, 감사합니다. 이제 먹어. 저기 같이 싸보다.
I've never tried this before. I'm not very good at chopsticks. Look at the dumpling.
일이 잘하네.
Are you kidding me?
맞아. 여기 왔었다며. 이틀 전에.
난 처음이고.
아 진짜?
여긴 내가 놀랬다니까 봐. 여자끼리야. 남자끼리.
This is my favorite. This is the aftermath of eating all this good food. Look at my sweatshirt. It's okay. Oh my gosh. I have food everywhere. It's the next day. We just came to this really authentic Korean restaurant. That's why I'm like tucked away in this little corner right here. But I'm wearing my super cute hanbok. We took a bunch of photos and videos at the palace. And now we are about to eat some really good kimbap, naengmyeon. I'm so hungry. All I ate today was a couple eggs. Oh, and jormyeon, which is like what? Korean cold noodles, which is too spicy. And I'm afraid I'm going to splash it all over this beautiful dress. So I'm going to stay away from that. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It's like tuna Korean kimbap with like vegetables inside. Yummy, I'm so hungry. Cheers. Oh my god, those are really big. They have like wasabi around it, some kimchi. I really don't want to spill on this dress right now. This is so good. That looks so bomb. You guys, my naengmyeon looks so good. Look at this radish and this egg on top. I'm so excited. Oh my god, that was literally the longest noodle pull of my life. Look at how long they are. It was so hot outside, wearing like long sleeves and a long dress, so this like ice cold noodles, I think it's like buckwheat noodles or something like that, feels so cooling. Yummy. So yummy. I used to not like naengmyeon when I was little. I just thought it tasted very like sour. But now I love it. Is your tummy satisfied? My mom spilled all over her white shirt. You guys, look at all of this street food. This is hot dog. We love hot dog. Oh my gosh. Ah, so smoky. This place is literally authentic Korean street food. I don't know what I want. There's so many options. There's like those skewers. This is actually crazy. Oh my gosh, look at this squid. This is crazy. What kind of dumplings are these?
This is pork, kimchi, octopus, and abalone.
This is just a mound of popcorn chicken and there's spicy version too. Wait, regular or?
This is a small, medium large.
I know, but what flavor? With sauce or without? Yummy.
Yummy.
Hopefully it's not too spicy.
I know.
Or else my mouth is gonna burn.
Looks really good.
Yeah,
I think
I love sauce. Cheers. Hopefully it's not too spicy. It's pretty spicy. Wow, it's so crispy on the outside. It's really spicy, Mom.
귀여워. 자, 손 한번 약간 매운맛을 시킨 거 아니야?
So spicy, but it's so good. It's like a red, sweet, and sour sauce, but it has a really strong kick of spice. This looks so yummy. Got miso soup and sashimi and salad. Yay! So got soju and these yaki soba noodles. Everything looks so yummy. Came to a new place. It's called Chochuje. Toljuje Yatai. Oh, it's Jeju-do backwards. They're like a signature drink on the menu, and then you squeeze the orange inside. 언니도 같이. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jeju is known for pure orange. Yeah, she said the alcohol is very little, but it tastes really good. We came to a little cafe. Oh my gosh, look at these little cakes. They're so cute. This is like an orange one, an Oreo one. This one looks really good too. A little crumble. They have a blueberry bagel, hot dog, and oh my gosh, these macarons, mochi bread. Oh my gosh. 돼지?
딸기하고
네.
생크림
오.
그리고 저기다 크런치, 초코 크런치.
맛있겠다. 근데 돼지밥 케이크. 돼지 is pig. It says ice to meet you. They have a watermelon juice, this lemon yuja crush, a strawberry smoothie, mango smoothie, soft persimmon smoothie, and a bunch of these clean booster juices. 고맙습니다. It looks so yummy. This is the lemon yuzu drink, the slushy. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Cheers. So yummy. I love how all of the desserts here are not too sweet. Let's try this yuzu drink. Cheers. Usually I wouldn't really like lemon, but it's not too tart or sour. It literally tastes like these little plastic yogurt drinks. I don't know, if you know, you know.